Everyone, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another update on Hurricane Milton. Milton weakened slightly back to a Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 155 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 918 millibars. It could re-intensify back to a Category 5 before it weakens. There is hurricane watches and warnings. There's hurricane watches for the Florida area, obviously, but tropical storm watches for the northwestern Bahamas, which includes Grand Bahama, Abaco, and the Bimini and the Berry Islands. Gale force advisories are in effect for Nassau and Abaco. So please be ready, please be prepared, evacuate like they told you, and prayers up for everybody.